Hello and welcome YouTube friends to another video. Today we're going to side dress our peaches and cream corn that we have behind us. If you look, our corn is coming up to where it's about a foot tall. It's got to the point now where we need to side dress the corn. And with the help of my two little helpers here, we're going to use that Troy-Bilt tiller and these 4 rows of peaches and cream corn. We're going to side dress. Let's get started. All right, so now that we've ran the rototiller through between the rows here, we got the soil loosened up. We tilled down probably 8 or 9 inches or so just to help us make our little valleys that we're gonna put the nitrogen in between the rows. If you see, got my little helper right here. She's already started trenching out between the rows for us. Go ahead, Brooklyn, do some more. And what we're gonna do is, in this trench here, we're gonna take and put our nitrogen, our urea fertilizer, back in this groove, this little valley she's digging for us, all the way down in between all these rows, and we'll bury it back with the topsoil she's pulling up to the left. And then once we bury it, we're going to water it in. So we're going to finish trenching out between our rows here, and then I'll show you, we'll put the nitrogen down in there. So really, after we've tilled it up, we come in here with our garden rake, we can pull us a valley in. Nothing real big. Just come through here, break your dirt back. That's about all you have to do. All right, so what I'll be using today is urea plus ammonium sulfate, 33% with 11% sulfur in it. Really, it's basically just pure nitrogen, 33%. What I like to do is I carry this big 50-pound bag around. Just put it in a smaller bucket. Then take you a cup. Come over here and we'll start putting it in our side dressing. I just take a cup, and all I do is I just come along here and sprinkle it in just like this.
Good job, Brooklyn.
Just about that much.
Brooklyn, good job.
Go pretty fast. All right, now that we got all of our fertilizer in between our rows, we'll just lightly come back and cover it up, just like this. All right, that's it. Now that we got our fertilizer put in, I came back and I back drug everything between the rows, covered the fertilizer up about 3 to 4 inches. So the next thing, being that we use a dry fertilizer instead of a liquid, we're gonna go ahead and water it in because it's already starting to dissolve in the dirt. So we're gonna water it in, and this corn ought to be hopping. Appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.